Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a Binance account in 2025. So whether you want to trade crypto, invest or just explore, it all starts with signing up the right way. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Binance.com on your web browser, or you can also download the official application from Google Play Store or App Store. Over here on the home page, you are going to see the sign up option. So you need to click on the sign up option. Then you need to sign up absolutely for free with the help of your email address or your phone number and with the help of creating a strong password. Now, once you have successfully done that, you are going to see your Binance dashboard that will look something like this. Now, you won't be able to get the money in your Binance account until you verify your identity. So here, click on the option of verify now on the home page. After that, you need to start your verification process. In it, you need to upload a valid government ID and you need to take a quick selfie for your facial verifications. So this particular step is required before you can trade or withdraw your funds, as I've told you earlier. So once this step is done, once you have verified your identity, you can click on the option of deposit in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can buy USDT with the help of their P2P trading or with the help of their currencies. So over here, you can also deposit some other cryptos if you have it in other wallets. So let's say you want to deposit crypto, so you can select which crypto you want to deposit. It can be USDT, USDC, BNB, etc. After that, you need to select the network and get the address. You can use that address in order to receive the crypto in your Binance account. You can also directly purchase crypto here. After clicking on this P2P trading option, you will be landed here on this page where from these merchants you can buy USDT very easily. So this way you can start using and create your account here on Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.